iStylers, welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iSTYLEDesign, and today I am participating in a collaboration that is being hosted by Denise over at This and That with Denise Jordan, and it is the Winter Kitchen Vignette Challenge. She does this challenge seasonally, and this one is winter, and she asked us to put together a vignette. And what you're looking at is my vignette. I am working, well, not working. So tomorrow I'm going to make keto lasagna. And well, let me get started with the conditions of the collaboration. So in this collaboration, Denise changed it up. You are to use a tray, and I'm using my Lazy Susan as my tray. You are supposed to use some type of floral, and I'm using this winter tree. You are to use a utensil, and I'm using my measuring cups, and you are to have a recipe. So I don't do a lot of cooking, so I don't have a recipe book or recipe card, so I'm using my Kindle as my recipe. And this is going to be our keto lasagna. It's low carb and gluten-free, and it looks delicious. I can't wait to make it tomorrow. And it only has 13 ingredients, as you can see here. So we're going to make that. Tonight, we are making a chaffle, which is a keto waffle. It's just cheese, eggs, a little bit of almond flour, and a little bit of baking soda. As you can see, it kind of spilled out on the side, but they look good. I've never tried them before, so we're going to see what they taste like tonight. With that, we are also going to have a hamburger and some pickles. So this is my winter vignette, and it is for the Winter Kitchen Vignette Collaboration that is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. If you are not familiar with Denise, I will leave a link to her channel down below, along with a playlist of all the participants. So this is my vignette for the season. Thank you, Denise, for hosting this collaboration. I can't wait to see your video and all of the other creators' videos, and just see what we all came up with. So that is all I have for you today, guys. I hope you had an awesome day. And remember, always strive to be better tomorrow than you were today. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, guys.